Want to delete all the duplicate photos on iPhone? Then you're on the right video. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, all you gotta do is move into your application photos or gallery. Once you're inside the gallery, you need to scroll down until you see the option of duplicates inside utilities. Once found, click on it. In this page, you will be able to see all the duplicate photos that you have it on your photos. In order for you to delete them, simply tap on select at the top right corner of the screen. Now select all the duplicate photos that you want to delete. Once selected, tap on this delete icon. Once again tap on delete. And there you go, all of your duplicate photos has been deleted. Now even if you go back, you can see that duplicate option is now not available. Well, it means that your duplicate photos has been deleted successfully. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.